Installing a PCIe adapter. To install a PCIe adapter on a 6-slot full-height riser, align the adapter with the connector on the PCIe riser, and then carefully press the PCIe adapter straight into the slot until it is securely seated and its bracket is also secure. Secure the adapter with a screw. Pull the plunger that secures the PCIe adapter retainer. Close the PCIe adapter retainer to the locked position. Reinstall the PCIe riser. Reinstall the crossbar. Reinstall the rear top cover. Reinstall the front top cover.